Have you ever wondered what Kundalini energy is? It's a term that sparks curiosity, shrouded in mysticism and ancient wisdom. Originating from the spiritual traditions of India, Kundalini energy is believed to be a dormant force within each of us that, when awakened, can lead to profound spiritual enlightenment and transformation. Kundalini in Sanskrit translates to coiled one, signifying a serpent. This metaphorical serpent is said to lie asleep at the base of our spine, waiting to be awakened. Once aroused, it ascends, activating the 7 energy centers or chakras along the spine, leading to an expanded state of consciousness. This concept might sound esoteric, but it's not as abstract as you might think. Think of it as a reservoir of untapped potential within you, a powerful energy that can transform your perspective and understanding of yourself and the world around you. In the modern context, Kundalini energy has found its place in various spiritual practices. It's not confined to a particular religion or belief system, but is rather a universal concept that transcends cultural and geographical boundaries. In the West, it's often linked with practices like yoga and meditation, which are known to facilitate the awakening of this energy. The belief is that awakening Kundalini energy can lead to spiritual enlightenment, a state of heightened awareness and inner peace. This awakening is said to bring about a profound transformation, allowing individuals to realize their true nature beyond the physical and mental realms. But it's important to understand that awakening Kundalini energy is not a quick fix. It's a journey, a process of self-discovery that requires commitment, patience, and practice. It's about cultivating awareness, understanding, and harmony within oneself. Now that we've laid the groundwork, we delve into the process of awakening this powerful energy. Before we commence, there are certain preparatory steps to consider. Nurturing the awakening of Kundalini energy is akin to nurturing a seed into a blossoming flower. It requires a conducive environment, nourishment, and care. Similarly, the awakening of Kundalini energy necessitates a healthy body and mind, regular practice of meditation and yoga, and a clean diet. Let's start with the importance of a healthy body and mind. Just as a seed requires fertile soil to grow, Kundalini energy needs a healthy body to thrive. Regular exercise, adequate rest, and a balanced diet are vital. These elements ensure that your physical vessel is strong and equipped to handle the powerful energy surge that comes with Kundalini awakening. Next, let's talk about meditation. Meditation is the watering can for your Kundalini seed. It keeps the soil of your mind moist, fostering an environment conducive for growth. Regular practice of meditation cultivates a sense of calm and focus, making you more receptive to the subtle shifts of energy within your body. It's like tuning into a radio frequency, where the static noise of everyday thoughts and worries fades, allowing the clear signal of Kundalini energy to come through. Yoga is another crucial tool in preparing for Kundalini awakening. It's the sunlight that the seed needs to grow. Specific yoga poses stimulate the energy centers or chakras in your body, paving the way for the rise of Kundalini energy. Clean eating cannot be overstated. It's like the quality of air the plant needs to thrive. Consuming foods that are high in life force energy, or prana, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, nurtures your body at a cellular level, making it a more hospitable host for Kundalini energy. Lastly, a peaceful environment and a positive mindset are akin to the favorable weather conditions that a plant needs to flourish. Surrounding yourself with positivity and immersing yourself in tranquility create a supportive atmosphere for your Kundalini energy to awaken. With these preparatory steps, you create a supportive environment for your Kundalini energy to awaken. Breathing the life force holds the key to awaken the Kundalini energy. Breathing is not just an unconscious, involuntary action. It is an essential and powerful tool in our spiritual journey towards Kundalini awakening. Pranayama, or breath control, plays a significant role in this process. Prana means vital life force, and ayama means control. Together, pranayama means control of the life force. It is through control of this life force that we can awaken Kundalini, the dormant energy within us. Let's delve into some specific breathing techniques that can aid in Kundalini awakening. First, let's talk about deep rhythmic breathing. This technique is simple, yet profound. You start by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Then, close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. The key here is to make your breaths as deep and rhythmic as possible. Each inhalation and exhalation should be of equal duration. As you breathe in, visualize the life force filling your body, and as you breathe out, imagine any stress or negativity leaving your body. This technique not only calms your mind but also prepares your body for the Kundalini awakening. Next we have alternate nostril breathing, also known as Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. This technique balances the energy channels in your body, making it an excellent preparation for Kundalini awakening. To start, sit comfortably with your back straight. Close your right nostril with your right thumb and inhale through your left nostril. Then, close your left nostril with your right ring finger, release the thumb, and exhale through your right nostril. Repeat this process, but this time start by inhaling through the right nostril. The cycle of inhaling and exhaling through alternate nostrils completes one round of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. These breathing techniques are not just exercises but a means to connect with the subtle energies within us. They help balance our energy channels, calm our minds, and prepare our bodies for the awakening of Kundalini. Mastering these breathing techniques sets the stage for the awakening of Kundalini. Yoga, an ancient practice, serves as a powerful tool for Kundalini awakening. This spiritual exercise, with roots reaching back thousands of years, provides us with a pathway to awakening our inner energy, our Kundalini. We'll now explore several yoga poses that stimulate this dormant energy within, beginning with the Cobra pose. This pose, known as Bhujangasana in Sanskrit, is a crucial part of the sun salutation sequence. It requires you to lie on your stomach and lift your upper body, mimicking the stance of a cobra ready to strike. This pose not only strengthens your spine but also stimulates the sacral lumbar arch, where Kundalini energy resides. Next we have the lotus pose or Padmasana. This pose is a classic meditative posture where you sit with your legs crossed, each foot resting on the opposite thigh. The lotus pose encourages deep diaphragmatic breathing, which is essential in awakening the Kundalini. It also helps to calm the mind, allowing for a greater focus on the energy within. Lastly, we have the forward bend or Uttanasana. This pose requires you to stand straight, then bend forward from your hip joints, extending your torso over your legs. The forward bend is known to stimulate the solar plexus region, an important energy point for Kundalini awakening. Each of these poses is not merely a physical posture but a gateway to connect with the inner self. The key to these poses is not just in their execution, but in maintaining them. Holding each pose allows the body to open up, to stretch, and to let energy flow freely. Moreover, focusing on the breath while maintaining these poses adds another layer to this practice, linking the body and mind in a dance of breath and movement. Remember, yoga is not a race. It's a journey of self-discovery and inner awakening. So, take your time with each pose, listen to your body, and let your breath guide you. These yoga poses, when practiced regularly, can help stimulate and awaken your Kundalini energy. So embrace these poses, let them become a part of your regular practice, and witness the transformation within. Meditation, a journey within, is a crucial step towards Kundalini awakening. Meditation, in its essence, is an inward journey, a deep dive into the self. It is a practice of focused attention, of quieting the mind, and of realizing one's own divine nature. When it comes to Kundalini awakening, meditation serves as a conduit, a bridge that connects your physical being with your spiritual essence. In the realm of Kundalini, two forms of meditation often come to the fore, namely chakra meditation and Kundalini meditation. Both forms have their unique attributes and cater to different facets of the awakening process. Chakra meditation focuses on the 7 energy centers in our body, the chakras. It is a gentle, gradual process, nurturing each energy center and fostering a sense of balance and harmony. It's like tending a garden, nurturing each plant, each flower until the entire garden is in bloom. On the other hand, Kundalini meditation is more direct and intense. It aims to awaken the dormant Kundalini energy coiled at the base of the spine. This meditation is like a spark, igniting the divine flame within, propelling it upwards, merging it with the universal consciousness. One common thread that weaves these meditations together is the power of visualization and concentration. During meditation, you visualize the flow of energy, the uncoiling of the Kundalini serpent, the opening of the chakras. You focus your attention on this visual journey, immersing yourself in the experience, allowing it to permeate your being. Visualization and concentration are the keys that unlock the door to your inner self, to the vast expanse of energy that lies within. Remember, meditation is not just a practice, it's a lifestyle. It's a commitment to oneself, a pledge to uncover the divine within. It's like learning to play a musical instrument. The more you practice, the more attuned you become, the more harmonious the music. With consistent meditation, you can tap into your Kundalini energy and begin the awakening process. The awakening of Kundalini, a profound experience, can lead to a heightened state of consciousness. This is the moment we've been preparing for, the grand unveiling of an energy so powerful, it can revolutionize our perception of the world and ourselves. As Kundalini awakens, it travels up the spine, activating each of the 7 chakras along its path. This journey can trigger a host of sensations and experiences, all of which are signs of this transformative process. One of the most common signs is an intense surge of energy. Some describe it as a powerful wave, others as a warm, electrifying current. This energy can be incredibly potent, sometimes even overwhelming, but it is also deeply cleansing and rejuvenating. Another sign of Kundalini awakening is a heightened awareness. This isn't just about being more mindful or attentive, it's about unlocking a new level of sensitivity and understanding. You may start noticing synchronicities, feeling more connected to nature, or experiencing a heightened sense of intuition. But perhaps the most profound sign of Kundalini awakening is the deep sense of inner peace that it brings. This isn't a temporary fleeting peace, it's a profound, lasting tranquility that stems from an intimate connection with the universe and your place within it. However, it's important to note that everyone's experience with Kundalini awakening is unique. Some may experience dramatic shifts, while others may undergo subtle, gradual changes. There's no right or wrong way to experience Kundalini awakening. It's a deeply personal journey that unfolds in its own time and its own way. In essence, the awakening of Kundalini is about more than just activating an energy. It's about embarking on a journey of self-discovery and personal transformation. It's about connecting with the deepest, most powerful parts of yourself and opening up to a whole new world of possibilities. Remember, awakening Kundalini is a deeply personal and transformative journey. As we continue to explore and understand this powerful force, we become more attuned to the infinite potential within us, forever transforming the way we relate to ourselves and the world around us. As we conclude, let's revisit the key points in our journey to Kundalini awakening. This journey is a transformative one, a path that leads us to a higher realm of consciousness and empowers us with a profound sense of peace and tranquility. To begin with, we discuss the preparatory measures necessary for Kundalini awakening. These steps are crucial in preparing your body and mind for the journey ahead. This includes leading a balanced lifestyle, maintaining a healthy diet, and cultivating positive thoughts and emotions. Next, we delved into the breathing techniques specifically designed for Kundalini awakening. These techniques, also known as pranayama, help in channeling the prana or life force within us. They aid in calming the mind and increasing focus, thereby setting the stage for the awakening process. Following this, we explored yoga poses that facilitate Kundalini awakening. These poses or asanas work on our chakras, the energy centers in our body. They not only foster physical fitness but also enhance our energy flow, preparing us for the profound experience of Kundalini rising. And then, we moved on to meditation, a vital aspect of Kundalini awakening. Meditation aids in quieting the mind and heightening awareness. It enables us to tap into our inner self, opening the doorway to the divine energy that Kundalini is. Lastly, we discussed the actual awakening of Kundalini, a stage that marks the pinnacle of this spiritual journey. It's crucial to remember that this process is highly individual and may vary from person to person. Patience and consistency are key here. Throughout this journey, it's essential to remember that Kundalini awakening is not a destination, but a journey. It's a transformative process that unfolds over time, offering profound insights and experiences along the way. It's about connecting with your innermost self, awakening a higher consciousness, and experiencing a state of supreme bliss and enlightenment. May your journey towards Kundalini awakening be filled with peace, insight, and enlightenment.